dozens and dozens of HVAC contractors as clients. It's important to be able to help them figure out what are people looking for and how are they going to be found and seen online. If you're a service contractor, it's important that you start to present yourself more professionally on the internet. I understand the challenges and figure out, where do you start? What are the questions you ask? How do you choose a provider? Our organization has been servicing service providers in the contractor industry for over 10 years. It's important that you have a guide that can help you put together a website that's going to be a powerful asset and a tool for you to market your business. Many times you get caught up in offline advertising, such as brochures and flyers, billboards, TV, radio, and much more. As a service contractor, your customers are doing research in two places: online and with their friends and family. It's important that you properly position yourself. In order to do that, you're going to want to be able to work with a company that understands how to market a contractor leveraging web, search, social, mobile, video, and much more. By improving your overall processes and properly positioning your website online, it gives you the ability to save money and increase your overall revenue and your gross profit. If you're interested in visiting about how we can help you fix, correct, or replace your service contractor website, definitely sign up for a free consultation.